How to use coupons on Mercari. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use coupons on Mercari. Coupons are just like credits, and they are majorly used to make purchases on your Mercari. Whenever you make purchases, you can use your coupons to pay if it's up to the amount of the goods. But before then, you would have to apply your coupons to your account first. And how do you do so? Move to the top left corner, click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there, and then some options will be displayed. Among these options, just scroll down and select settings. So after selecting settings, you'll be taken to the settings page. On this page, you can see different options, right? Such as edit profile, edit account, my addresses, my payment method, etc. Just scroll down and select coupons. So under coupons, once you are on the coupons page, you can see coupon code apply. So all you need to do here is you just tap on this box, enter in your coupon code. The apply button would be available, click on it, and then your coupon code will be applied to your account balance. And so once you make an order, and these orders the amount of the order is equivalent to the coupon, the money will be deducted from your coupon, and you would not have to pay extra cash. But if it's not up to the amount of the coupon, will also be applied to the amount of the product, and the money left might not be much. I all you need to do is just top it up by making use of cash or by making use of your card. So this is how you can make use of coupons on Mercari. Thank you for watching and have a good day.